Hi everybody, my name is Christopher Lutz and I'm the big idiot in the bottom right hand corner. I'm a senior entrepreneurship major and I'm graduating this semester. And I'm very excited to see what Dell has in store for all of us. To start, I'm from Franklin, Massachusetts, that little town right there. Horace Mann, the founder of public education in America, was also born here. We'll get back to how that's relevant later in the presentation. I went to Quinnipiac due to its great reputation and great polls. Greatest polls. I believe that it's a little school with big opportunity. I've met some great people along the way that have made it well worth it. When I'm home, I love to enjoy myself to some Boston sports with the guys and drink a fat Carlsberg at the BBC. 1 liter for $5 always hits a spot. At school, I enjoy researching a problem or opportunity and discovering the root of how a solution can be fulfilled to a customer. Like Horace, I can make an impact on the lives of students, starting in the Northeast. Since we spend a quarter of our lives being educated, I believe there will always be room for adjustments on making each student's education better. Using the 80-20 principle, I discovered that the two most prominent issues that Quinnipiac students face with their advisors is simply reaching out to them via email and an advisor's competency with their schedule. Unfortunately, they went with a different company called UConnect. I want to learn how to build a culture. 3 examples of this are Carrot Creative, building a culture in a workplace to make amazing products, Barstool, tapping into a culture which gives contents to its users that speaks to them, and Google, which provided a service to millions of lives every day. All in all, I hope the best of luck for you and best of luck in the simulation.